Hey everybody, and happy Friday. I wanted to do a real quick video just from my computer, my desktop, so you get to see my kind of disarray here, but I apologize. But some cute artwork in the back from the beautiful children in my life. But anyway, I wanted to let you know two things. One, a new focus workshop scene study is up and live in the site. So if you are looking for opportunities to work on your craft, this is perfect. This is something that you create. You have access to sides, you have access to monologues, you have access to me if you have any questions about the scene study. You prep it, you create it, and then you set up a time with me and we go over it together. I read with you, I give you direction, I ask you questions about the role, we practice audition scenarios. It's you being immersed in your craft, which is essential. And the second thing I'm so excited about is a new course, the Chapter 1 in the Actor's Guide to Crushing Goals and Forward Motion is live today. It comes with a PDF, a worksheet, so you can really foster this positive mindset and create and target goals, things that you can control. I know there are so many things in this industry and as an actor that we can't control. They're completely out of our control, but what we can control is what we are doing ourselves to create forward motion towards our goals and a positive mindset on our own journey as an actor. So, that being said, I again hope you all have an excellent Friday, a wonderful weekend. If you have any questions at all about the site, about what I do, about what is on the site, please send me an email at jamie@actorplaybook.com. I would love to hear from you. I would love to work with you if you too are looking for that opportunity to work on your craft and create forward motion on your journey as an actor.